Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. Students, today we will do new topic, that is prime factorization. Prime factorization means when a number is expressed as the product of its prime factors. We call it prime factorization. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो उसे हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कहते हैं. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्राइम फैक्टर्स? प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर दोज फैक्टर्स which cannot be divided with anyone or which are not multiple of anyone. It has only two factors, one and the number itself only. So let us do with the help of an example. We take 10 here. First of all, we will write the factors of 10. So the factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. So here you can see the prime factors are 2 and 5. So the factors of 10, prime factors of 10, you can say 2 and 5. Now come to next one. There are two methods in prime factorization. First method is factor tree method and second method is short division method. Factor tree method is to get the prime factorization of a number. We divide the given number by prime numbers. And what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. In the factor tree method, we have to divide the number by smallest prime numbers. And we continue to divide the quotient by the smallest prime numbers. And second one is short division method. In short division method, to get the prime factorization of a number, we divide the given number by prime numbers again. In both the method, we divide the given number by prime numbers. दोनों ही मेथड में हम जो नंबर दिया होगा उसको प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे और हम ट्राई करेंगे कि सबसे स्मॉल वाले प्राइम नंबर से हम उसको डिवाइड करेंगे. So the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on again. As long as the quotient is divisible by that number. We continue the division till the quotient is 1. हम short division method में जब तक quotient को divide करते हैं जब तक हमारा आंसर या quotient हमारा 1 ना जाए. We write the numbers as product of its in ascending order. और जो भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट आता है उसे हम ascending order में राइट करते हैं. Let us understand with the help of an example. Here you can see 18 number is here. We can divide 18 with both the methods. So first method is factor tree method. We will write 18 here. Now first of all, you can see 18 is even number because the digit at one's place is 8. So according to divisibility rule, you better know we can divide 18 by 2. So first of all, we will divide 18 by 2, that is prime number. When we divide 18 by 2, we get 9. So we will write here 9. 2 9s are 18. Again, we divide 9 by prime factors, that is 3. So when we divide 9 by 3, we get 3 3s are 9. So in this method, we get 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. We always write the product of prime numbers in ascending order. हम हमेशा product of primes को ascending order में write करते हैं. Now come to next method, that is short division method. Again we will take 18 here. First of all, we will divide 18 by prime number, smallest prime number, that is 2. When we divide 18 by 2, we get 9. We will write 9 under the 18 like this. After that, we will divide 9 by 3, that is prime number again. When we divide 9 by 3, we get 3, and we will write 3 under 9. After that, we will divide 3 by 3, we get 1. So the product of prime number is equal to, or the factors of 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. In short division method, we continue this process till we get all factors that are prime numbers. And we continue to divide the quotient till the quotient is equal to 1. हम इसको तब तक डिवाइड करना कंटिन्यू रखते हैं जब तक हम इसका आंसर जो है वो 1 ना आ जाए. Now first of all we will do questions related to factor tree method. Now it is very simple. It looks like a tree. Now the number is 48. First of all, we will divide 48 with the smallest prime number, that is 2. सबसे पहले हम 48 को प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे जो कि हमारा 2 है. And when we divide 48 by 2, we get 24. So we will write here 24. After that, we will divide 24 again with the prime number, that is 2. And we divide 24 by 2, we get 12. So we will write here 12. Again, we will divide 12 by 2, we get 6. And after that, at last we will divide 6 by prime number, we get 2 3s are 6. So we will write the factors of 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. So the factors are these: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and at the last multiplied by 3. Now next example is 120. Again, we will take the smallest prime number, that is 2. And you can see here, you can use the divisibility rules. You can see here, this number is even number. So we will divide by 2 here. When we divide 120 by 2, we get 60. Again, 60 is divided by 2, we get 30. After that, 30 is again even number. We will divide by 2, we get 15. And 15 is divided by 3, we get 5. We use the prime numbers step by step. 2, after that 3, after that 5, 7, 11. So the prime factors are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. We will write here like this. So the factors of 120 is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Come to next question, that is 180. Now again, this is the even number. We start to divide it by smallest prime number, that is 2. And after dividing, we get 90. Again, it is an even number. We will divide with 2 again, and we get 45. Now it is not divided by 2. So we will take next prime number, that is 3. So we divide 45 by 3, we get 15. Again 15 is divided by 3, we get 5. Now the prime factors are 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5. We will write like this. The product of prime numbers is equal to 180. And we will write the product of prime number in ascending order. Next question is 256. We will take here prime number to divide this number, that is 2. After dividing this, we get 128. Again and again, we divide the numbers or the quotient by the prime numbers like this. After dividing, we get the product of prime numbers, that is 2, 2, 2, 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. The product of these prime numbers is equal to 256. Now next question is 90. Again the process remains same. We will take the prime number to divide the 90, and 90 is even number. When we divide 90 by 2, we get 45. And 45 is not divided by 2. Then we take next prime number, that is 3. We divide 45 by 3 and we get 15. You can take the rough place or rough page to solve the division. Now 15 is again divided by 3, we get 5. So the prime numbers or prime factors are 2, 3, 3 and 5. Now last example is 150. Again we will divide 150 by 2 and we get 75. Now 75 is not a even number. It is odd number. So we will take the next prime number, that is 3. After dividing 75 by 3, we get 25. Now 25 is not divided by 3. We take another prime number. Next prime number, that is 5. And we get 5 5s are 25. Now the product of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 5. Now I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Keep practice at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.